Welcome back to Things That You Could Do, because you guessed it. If I can do it, it means that you can do it too. Now, like with every project, you have the possibility to succeed. You also have the possibility to fail. In this video, I'm going to show you some projects that weren't so successful. Thank you guys for getting me to 100 subscribers. It's a big accomplishment, and I'm also happy with the fact that these videos are actually helping people. Remember to like, share, to subscribe to the thing. Thank you guys. Manners and respect. Stay tuned.